like for the steering wheel to be adjustable, but now I'm really just being a princess because these have so much in it. This is such a nice upgrade that I'm having absolutely zero issue getting up this hill. Again, I am with the lithium, so I'm going to take out the lead acid next, and I'm going to go over and get into this lane because I want to make a left. Now I have lost speed because the top speed on this one is a little higher. This has to be adjusted, but I'm getting up this hill with ease. So here I am stopped on the hill. Let's see if I roll back at all. Just like a bicycle, when you need to make a left, you got to get in the left lane and you need to sit close. Oh yeah, we rolled back a bit there. And now when I come over here, I'm going to, my signal's not going off, so I'm going to do that. I'm going to come over to the side and do my max 30 kilometers an hour. I might even go a little slower so that the person behind me can pass. Also, I don't want to roll faster down the hill because I want to keep in control. Plus, I have one hand on my phone. And I'm going to put my signal on because I want to go left here. Stop, look around. So this is where you're going to, this is where accidents are going to happen when you're in traffic like that, because people rear end all the time. It is definitely possible when you're making left-hand turns that the person behind you, just like anything, it doesn't matter if you're driving this, you're driving a motorcycle, a car, people hit other people. So I feel like this is similar to when I rode motorcycles, where you have to just be extra aware, extra mindful when you drive. This isn't like a leisurely signals. You have to remember to take your signals off. Because they're not coming off. So we'll see if that's on all of them, but this is